In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can stop unknown calls on your WhatsApp. You can simply disable calls from people that aren't saved to your WhatsApp. Disabling unknown calls on WhatsApp enhances privacy, security, and user experience by preventing spam, phishing, and scam attempts, ensuring a disturbance-free communication environment, and giving control over contacts, thereby promoting peace of mind and safety. On your WhatsApp settings page, simply head into the option of privacy. You will then select this option of calls right here. Make sure to enable this option. When turned on, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. This means you will only see them as missed calls in your phone WhatsApp call history section. That's how easy it is to disable unknown calls on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.